This short video tutorial shows how to create a holding component. It will help us discover the different features of holdings of a product and discover what can be displayed in such components. To do so, we will create two holding components regarding the same property, the currency of the holdings of the product. To create a holding component, go on the Overview page of a product and click on the Edit Overview button. Then choose the Holding Component tab and click on Add New Component. The first component we create will display the currency of the holdings over time. Write the name of the component, its description text, and select the currency property. Note that you can choose any property you want to be displayed. Now, we choose the aggregation type, over time. The component is now created, and we can add it to the Overview page of the product. In the exact same way, we can create a holding component that displays a property of holdings on a fixed date, which will allow to visualize the distribution of this property in the product on a given date. We just need to choose the OnDate aggregation type in our new component. Thank you for watching our short explanatory video regarding creation of a customizable holding component on Finlens. We trust that you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.